Good morning. Today I want to show you how do we do or how do we set up a pipe laser. So I'm on the end of the pipe. We have the manual there, and that's the target we're using. So you can see here the pipe laid down its spot on to the middle, and if we take out the target, we have the laser going up there. And in here, that setup is where the manual is gonna sit. So that's how they use the pipe laser, with the target. When they lay the pipe, the laser should be in the middle of the target. Now I'm gonna show you where the pipe laser sits inside the manual. So the other part of the pipe laser sits in down there. So that's the other side of the pipe laser. We have a bubble. So we level the bubble, set the number on the laser, and that's it, either plus or minus. That's the laser box. They have a remote control to stop the laser or turn on. Have a different targets as well for 100mm pipe. But the minute this pipe over there that we use is a 225 clay. So this is it. In a few minutes I'll show you how we set up the number on the laser, so you can do it yourself. Hello, back again. We're continuing with the pipe laser setup, as I had a request to do a video. So I have a short plastic pipe, 100mm or 4-inch, one target, two targets. So just continuing, I want to show you how do we set up the pipe laser. So for example, if we are using it in a 100mm plastic pipe, we have them small legs. So them small legs we have to take off. So it says here 6-inch. Because we're using a smaller one, I have to take these ones off, so pipe laser can go inside the 100mm pipe or the 4-inch. Okay, we'll take them out, and then pipe laser will go like this into the pipe. So one of the important ones is we have to look at this bubble here. When you're positioning the pipe laser, obviously the pipe will be stationary, but the bubble has to be like this. So if you have to spin the laser a little bit this way or this way, you set it up so the bubble should be in the middle first. Okay, then we turn on from the button. Okay, so we have existing gradient at plus 5.899. We wanna set up a gradient of, over here I've calculated, wanna put this one plus 2.078. So what do we do? So that noise, when it's making, is bringing the laser up or down. So to put, we press the star. I think it will be easier without the, you see that the laser tells us it's not level, so we have to bring it back to level, which is good. Okay, now it's level. We see the small bubble. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it. So we press the star. Now it tells us plus or minus. If it's minus, we go minus, but our gradient it was plus 2.078. Okay, so I've taken off that pipe as it makes it harder. Because we have bottom of the laser is flat, we can leave it straight here on the desk, just for the example purposes. So now we continue, we press star, set plus or minus, okay, then we go right and we set the first number which will be 2 point, and then we have to go down 2 point, then we go right again. What we had here, 2.078, 2 point, then we need 0, so we go up 0, right, then with the arrows up or down 2.7, and then the last one we press star again, and then we go up or down, up the other way, 2.78, 2.078. Okay, and now the laser is gonna automatically go up or down. So because it's plus, it's gonna go up. But if we are doing the drainage downhill, then we have to change the sign to minus, and then automatically it's gonna go down. So we have two targets, because that's a target for 100 mil or 4 inch. Then this one, it will go into the pipe like this. We have a spring here, press it, and then it will be like this. And obviously the pipe boy is gonna bring up or down to measure center of the target. If we're doing 150 mil or above, then we have to use this target, but in that case we have to use the legs on the laser. Okay, hope that helps.